Cabin inspection. Sandeep, can you say hi? Yay! Hello mga Mars and Cars. So, I'm going now sa second shift ko sa work. 2 o'clock we open here sa Sunrise. And yeah, mamaya na lang yung chika. Hello mga Mars and Pars! So, grabe, sobrang na-busy tayo. Kaya hindi ako nakapag-take ng videos. As of the moment, I'm still adjusting dito sa Sunrise. So, as you know, nandito pa naman yung ka-handover ko. So, we're doing a lot of handovers. And, yeah, due to the new system na in-implement, syempre, kailangan nating catch up, diba? Sa system. And then, yeah. Naninibago ako kasi 554 to mga Mars and Pars. So, yeah. Mas mabilis yung pacing. Okay? So, parang dati ko sa Conquest. Tagal-tagal din akong hindi matagal-tagal din na nasa 7 days. Not actually 7 days. 8 day and 6 day cruise tayo, 'di ba? So, mahaba 'yon, long cruise 'yon. So, ngayon nasa Miami tayo, kaya yeah, kailangan nating adjust ulit ang ating sarili. So, I'm trying to make a plan kung paano ko siya gagawa ng paraan. What are the things that I need to finish within the day, ganyan, sa certain port, ano yung mga dapat tatapos ko na. So, kailangan ko iplano yun. Okay? So, right now, my cabin is in deck 6. Again, deck 6 ulit tayo. Medyo malayo siya sa office, but I'm already good here kasi nakakapaglakad na naman ako. And siguro maiwasan ko rin yung mga naiiwan ko sa gamit kasi nire-ready ko talaga siya bago umalis dahil na layo, 'di ba? Kung may nakalimutan ako. Ano pa ba? Yeah. So ayan. Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba mga dapat natin pagkwentuhan mga Mars and Pars? Yung cabin is not that same with the ano bang class yun? Panorama. So, Vista class. Totally different. So, dito, ang liit ng cabin. Pero, manageable naman. Okay lang naman. So, ano pa ba? Yeah, tomorrow, yung mga ganap tomorrow is, dati na-update ko kayo kung ano yung mga gagawin ko for the day. Ngayon, hindi na. Sobrang busy talaga. Pero, yeah, tomorrow we will have the IM celebration. So, busy sa gabi. So, I think we need to work on our stuff tomorrow with our accommodation and the rest of the things na kailangan na namin matapos tomorrow kasi Grand Cayman na yung next. And then, may meeting na naman kami. So, kailangan talaga na ma-polish na lahat. So, thank you lang guys. Kwentuhan na lang tayo ulit tomorrow. So, good night. Hello mga Mars and Pars. I'm here at Deck 4 dito sa Carnival Sunrise. And yeah, nag-iikot-ikot lang ako. With me na mag-ikot-ikot. I don't know kung saan ako pupunta. Tignan natin kung may matcha.
went to A.
So, yeah. Getting my matcha latte.
Right away with the 6 machine. Okay. And stick that thing.
We are still under FMD. Our next one is now under debt department.
Hello! This is me and Jonathan here at Carnival Sunrise doing our handover. Yung mga Mars and Bars. So, galing tayo sa gift shop. Bumili tayo ng pabango kasi wala na akong pabango. So, yan. Let's see kung darating na yung package ko from Miami. Kasi nandun yung ibang stock ko. So, yeah. That's it. Just got from duty. Anong oras na mga Mars and Pars? It's 10:33. First time na nakatambay pa sa opisina. Actually, hindi naman tambay. It's an handover week. So, yeah. Kailangan lang natin ng tsaga-tsaga ng konti, ha? And hopefully, my target next cruise, hindi na ganito, matapos ng maayos, smooth. Ayan. So, yun lang. Good morning, mga Mars and Pars. This is Jonathan. We are setting up.
Welcome on board.
Yes. This is our setup with the water here. So, we're gonna go to Regent's dining room to prepare our sign-off crew members. Regent's dining room. I'm with Dari. We're gonna take the crew members from the terminal. We call it terminal. Hi mga Mars and Pars.
hi,
This is
hi.
Jonathan. We're going to the guest services.
Yes, for the keys, guest list keys, contractor, office personnel.
And that's it. To say thank
the
you.
back to back. No video are not allowed in there. No video identified. No.
This is crew area. Excuse me.
This is our security officer.
Yes.
He's trying
My
to,
gosh.
he's sending
To
us-
stop us. Why like this?
No cell phones are allowed here.
Oh my gosh. Why like that? How rude. No, we have to take. Otherwise, it will be full. Come. That's the trick. Yeah? And we take here. Yay! Say hi, guys.